Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Tech123 back again with another unboxing video. This time is an unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S7. As you can see, this is a brand new phone, sealed. I'm gonna be unboxing it, and I believe this phone came out in 2016. And let's look at the specs before we go ahead and unbox it. We got the 4G LTE capable 64-bit quad-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, 5.1 quad HD Super AMOLED. I think that's the screen. 12 megapixel dual pixel main camera, and then 5 megapixel front-facing camera. We got the IP68, dust-proof and water-resistant. Not waterproof, guys. So remember that. We got wireless charging enabled. This is the 32 gigabytes. Samsung Pay. And let's get on with the unboxing. Let's take the cover off. Give me 1 second. Go. And as I mentioned, this is the T-Mobile, and it is Onyx Black Onyx, 32 gigabytes of memory. All right, as you can see, it's sealed right here. Let me get my scissors out and slash this seal open. My scissors. Let's open it up. Here we go. And this is a brand new phone. Samsung Galaxy S7. Brand new phone. Gonna hide this. Let's see what's in the box. What we have here, let's see. We got the SIM injection tool. SIM injection tool here. Oh God, what is going on here? Box trouble on deck here, guys. Give me 1 second. Let's take this out. Oh. Okay, there you go. The SIM ejection tool here. Got the fast charger. You know, I was hoping this should be in black since the phone is Onyx Black, but okay. We got the charger. We got this OTG USB connector. And we have the headphones. Whoa, look at the headphones. It reminds me of an Apple wireless headphones. All right, that's it. Let's put this away. Okay, let's turn on the phone for the first time. Let's boot up, see if it has any juice in it. Let's look at the specs for a minute. We got the hold on. Let me zoom in. Oh, it booted up pretty quickly. T-Mobile there. Got the headphone dock here. Headphone slot here. We got the charging. Speakers are here. There's a speaker on the top, and the SIM card goes on the top as well, right here. As you can see, unboxed it. Galaxy S7 T-Mobile, 32 gigabytes. Phone came out in 2016, I believe. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I love this phone. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.